This is Makana Vista bringing you the truth, the insights, and the real stories that matter straight from the heart of Pungalenja TV. No jinx, no spin, and no compromise. Let's dive into it. Inkabi of the people, the voice that rose from the valleys. In a world that often overlooks the quiet strength of its people, one voice has risen, deep, grounded, and unshakably Zulu. From the winding roads of Bergville to the gilded stages of South African music, Big Zulu didn't just chase a dream. He carried a village on his back and a culture in his chest. This is not just a story about music, it's about how rhythm becomes remedy and how one man turned tradition into triumph. Big Zulu born Siyabonga on April 7, 1986 in Bergville, KwaZulu-Natal, is a South African rapper, songwriter and actor known for his deep voice, poetic lyrics and a signature Inkabi rap style. Before his music career took off, he worked as a taxi driver and was heavily influenced by traditional Maskandi and isicathamiya music, especially artists like Lady Smith, Black Mambazo, and Puze Kemisi. He rose to fame with his 2016 single Donsa Nkabi and later signed with Universal Music. His albums Ushunwe Nkabi 2018, Ungqongqoshe Wongqongqoshe 2019, and Ichwane Lenyoka in 2021 produced hits like Imali Eningi, Inhluphe and Umuzi SNT, with Imali Eningi going double platinum. Beyond music, Big Zulu has appeared in popular South African TV shows like Isibaya, Uzalo, and Ushuni Womhlaba. He's also part of the powerhouse duo Inkabi Zezwe with fellow artist Java. Their 2023 hits Umbayimbayi topped charts and went quadruple platinum, and their live performances like recent one at Heavy Highs concerts are often described as electric. Big Zulu style stands out in the South African hip-hop scene because he fuses Inkabi rap with traditional Zulu musical elements, creating a sound that's both nogalistic and revolutionary. Compared to artists like Casper Nyovest, who leans into commercial hip-hop and pop, Kwaito influences, Big Zulu music is more rooted and in cultural storytelling and poetic lyricism. Where Casper often embraces flashy visuals and global trends, Big Zulu opts for a grounded aesthetics. Think Brentwood trousers, Kavela loafers, and isiZulu idioms, which has become part of his brand identity. His delivery is slower, more deliberate, often resembling praise poetry, while others like Nasty C and AKA favor rapid fire flows and international production styles. Interestingly, Big Zulu's collaborations with artists like Java and Inkabi Zezwe show how his traditional leanings can blend seamlessly with modern soul and Afrofusion, setting him apart as a cultural bridge rather than just a rapper. Big Zulu's music is deeply rooted in traditional Zulu sounds and storytelling. He draws heavily from Maskandi and isicathamiya genres, known for their rich harmonies, poetic lyricism, and traditional and cultural pride. These influences are evident in the use of isiZulu, his rhythmic delivery, and the themes he explores: community, struggle, resilience, and heritage. His tracks often feel like modern-day poetry, echoing the oral tradition of Zulu Izimbongi praise poets. These connections to his roots gives his music a raw authenticity that resonates with many South Africans. As one article puts it, his work is a reflection of his roots and a celebration of South African culture. Big Zulu's cultural background is the heartbeat of his music. Growing up in Bergville, KwaZulu-Natal, he was immersed in the rhythms and tradition of Zulu life, from the storytelling of elders to the harmonies of isicathamiya and Maskandi music. These genres, deeply rooted in Zulu identity, shaped his lyrical style and musical choices. His songs are rich with isiZulu language, idioms, and imagery, often reflecting township life, social struggles, and essential pride. He doesn't just rap, he narrates. The spirit of Zulu praise poets Siyabonga to honor heritage and confront modern realities. This grounding in tradition gives musical a sense of purpose and authenticity that resonates across generations. He's also become a culture ambassador of sorts, using his platform to elevate Zulu identity in a genre often dominated by Western influences. Big Zulu has built a powerful reputation through collaborations that blend authenticity with mass appeal. Here are some of his most successful partnerships. Sjava Inkabizezwe. This is arguably his most celebrated collaboration. Their joint project Ukamba 2023 under the name Inkabizezwe was a cultural moment. The lead single Umbaimbai went platinum in under 2 months and the album toured drew massive crowds. Their chemistry, Big Zulu grounded delivery and Sjava's soulful vocal created a sound that felt both essential and fresh. MT Abazazi Bafunani. After a long-standing rivalry, Big Zulu and MT surprised fans by teaming up in 2025 for Abazazi Bafunani. The track was praised for its lyrical depth and the way it revived the spirit of South African hip-hop. Their collaboration marked a turning point in the genre's evolution, blending streets with grit and introspective storytelling. Ricky Rick and Intaba said Dubai, Imali Eningi. The anthem became a cultural phenomenon with Ricky Rick's charisma and Intaba said Dubai's haunting chorus. The track went double platinum and sparked viral trends across social media. It's still one of Big Zulu's most iconic songs. As the beat fades and the echoes of his voice still linger, Big Zulu remains a reminder that greatness isn't born in noise. It is sculptured in silence, rooted in identity and crowned by humility. He sings not just for applause, but for healing, for remembrance, for the boy in the taxi rank who dares to dream. And as long as that voice continues to rise, so too will the spirits of the people. From the valleys of Breckville to the heart of a nation, you, Big Zulu, rose on the ridge, not on the riches, but on rhythm and reason. Your voice, deep as ancestral drums, has become a balm of broken spirits, a map home for the forgotten. You teach the youth that dreams do not ask for permission, they thrive in silence, in struggle, in stillment. You have turned your roots into wings. In every verse you lift your village with you, not as just a symbol, but as a son who never left. Please keep healing us with your words. Keep sowing hope where despair once sat. Keep reminding us humble that from dust comes fire and that dignity once sung cannot be erased. Thank you, not for just your music, but for standing tall in a world that tried to silence your truth. Written by Makana Vista, where every story speaks truth to power. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe until we meet again.